It's Lily again. My latest wig styling video was of Deku, and I said that I was going to do Baku, so here he is, beautiful in all his majesty. It was a little bit harder for me to do this one because the wig didn't want to spike the top. You'll see me struggling with that a lot. So I styled this one to where it can go with the hat because that's what this AU is for. So I'm going to use this one in a CMV coming up soon, so look forward to that. But yeah, stay tuned to see how I did this. Thank you. So I started with pinning down the wig as much as I possibly could because I was going to do the same thing I did with Deku and flip it over and, yeah, ruffle it. And so I sprayed some hairspray in it and I ruffled it as much as I could. I was trying really hard to get a top spike. That failed. But that's okay. So I did the same thing that I did with Deku in the last video where I take pieces and I rubber band the tips, and I did that all over. I think I did more on Baku because he's more spiky. So yeah, it just depends on how much you want it to have spikes and where you want them. So I kept rubber banding it, and this was the next day because I didn't finish the day before, and so I keep spiking and rubber banding everywhere. So I put the Got2b glue on my fingertips and curled the hair and blow dried it immediately to get it tacky, as I explained in the How to Style Deku's Wig video. So I did the same thing. Right now I'm basically making sure that how much hair is in each rubber band is how much I want to be in there. And yeah, that's what I just keep doing. Whatever it takes. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped with your wigs. I will grab the name of the black wig that I used for Tamaki and Keith that I showed back in my Deku wig styling, because I would suggest that better for Koski because of the top spikes. This one I could not get a top spike, so that was disappointing. But I will try again with another wig at some point. Expect to see him be with this AU soon. It'll be coming out, I don't know when, but soon. Anyway, thank you again. Bye.